Hey guys, welcome to another video. Anyways, Anna's spare account, Monkey Lover Forever,
11.
yeah, Forever 11, just got hacked, and I asked the hacker, why do you hack, and they said, because it's fun and stuff, and then I said, please stop the hacking, and then they said, fine, and then they logged off, but I don't think they're actually going to stop hacking, like, sincerely, but I really hope that they do stop. And this new storage account that I have, nobody is knowing the name to it. And yeah, just please stop the hacking, guys. And I'm still here with Holly and Anna. Say hi, guys.
It's not funny.
Yeah, it's not funny at all.
Guys,
What?
he's back on.
Monkey Lover
What?
Forever is back on.
He just sent me a buddy request.
It doesn't show that they're online to me.
It does to me.
I sent them a buddy request and I'm going to their den. They're now my buddy. They're in Jamal Township.
You're buddies with a hacker.
They're in my den.
Oh my god, this is scaring me. You're so lucky that you're it's safe right now, literally. I'm so terrified right now. How do you think I feel? She's the only safe out here. Her account's safe. I would prefer to live in this situation right now. Even though I wouldn't be able to have my account, at least it would be safe.
Yeah.
Even though you can't get on it right now, at least you know that you'll be able to get on
Guys,
it.
they're trading. They
Oh my God.
have a snow cloud on trade. What did they say? It's for me. What?
I had a snow cloud. Hold on. I'm going to my den to check if I still have my snow cloud. My snow cloud's gone. Did you check in your den inventory? Now checking.
They said it's fun for me. Wow.
It was between my nesting Gilbert doll and my nesting Liza pet doll, and now it's gone. They've got my snowflake cloud.
They have it on trade.
Oh, wonderful. Put yourself on share screen.
If I ever find out who this is, their life is going to be miserable.
Why did you ask me?
I'm leaving. Come on, guys.
Wait, I'm talking to the hacker.
She's talking to her.
Not on Skype.
It's too bad you can't find out who it is. You know.
Yeah, I'll make their life miserable.
No, just say.
No,
you
I
know,
will make their life miserable.
It makes it us to enjoy having fun on here because of you. He's running off.
They've actually taken something from my account. They've taken my snowflake cloud.
Yeah, they took her snow cloud.
How do they do that? How do they even get in her account?
I don't know. There's a bunch of things on YouTube and stuff.
Yeah, they have videos on YouTube on how to hack
Yeah, it's terrible.
and scam.
And how to scam, and it's just wrong.
We'll find out from
My
YouTube.
account, the password was like a load of random certain numbers.
And so they hacked Jeremy, they took her snow cloud.
Aaron, hack monkey. If it's okay with Anna. Aaron,
Hey
look up
Anna,
how to
is it
do
okay if I hack Monkey Lover and get the snow cloud back?
One minute.
Crap, I didn't. Son of a gun.
They got back offline on your account.
Ender,
I am.
go find Ender. Ender's online. Go to Ender's then. Everyone go to Ender's.
Yeah, I'm gonna end the video, so bye guys.